Welcome to Gardening with Granny. Well, we are on our way to an adventure. We are going to the Grand Mackinac Island Flower Show with proven winners. I have been looking forward to this since January, and it is now August, almost September, and so it's been a long time that we've been waiting to see this show. And there's going to be a lot of YouTube presenters there that you may be familiar with. For example, Laura from Garden Answer and Jenny from Gardening with Creekside. Plus, we're going to hear a lecture from Jack Brunell, who is a wonderful gardener, has a book on gardening. So I'm really excited, and we are going to start our journey. Here we are at our first stop. We have to have breakfast. Our favorite place to have breakfast, Cracker Barrel. Well, we're pretty much to the halfway point. We've stopped and had breakfast at our favorite place, and we're now in West Branch, and made a potty stop, and along the way we've noticed that there's a few trees every once in a while that have changed color, and I took a picture of a beautiful stand of crab apples. I'm not sure what variety they are. They're very small, much smaller than the one we have on our property. So we'll continue on our way.